Hey guys, so here is the second part of the review. The first one I forgot to put parametric stuff on it. So here we go. So what we're going to do is take these numbers at the top. These all stand for our t-value, and we're going to plug them in. Okay, so let me grab a calculator. Okay, here we go. So negative 2 times 3. So we're going to just put this in the calculator. So 3 minus 2 times negative 3 is 9. And then we're going to plug that negative 3 into the last one. Oops, plus. Okay, let's try this again. So 2 negative 7. 3 minus 2 times negative 2, 7, negative 4. 5 and negative 1. 3, 2, 1, 5. Hold on, let me pull that off. 2, that's negative 4, negative 1. And then 6, 7, 8. Negative 6, so that's negative 3. And 9, 10, 11. Okay, so there we go. Now, once we have this, remember we're not going to worry about the t-values. We're only going to concentrate on x and y and graph them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, these don't, oh no, I went the wrong way anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now 7, negative 4. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as you put your dots, you're going to connect them, but remember, we need arrows. Okay? We don't need an arrow down here because that's where we started. We need an arrow here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 1. So my advice is connect and draw arrows as you go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That last one won't fit, so we just won't worry about that one, and you're done. Okay. Let's do another one. Okay. Ooh. What we're going to do, we're going to make our lives easier. We're going to take this one out, and let's give you some perfect numbers. That way, your life will be so much easier. So square root of 0 is 0 and 1. Square root of 1 is 1, and this becomes 0. So 2, negative 3. 3 and negative 8. I didn't pay attention when I saw this. Okay, so now we're going to go graph it. So 0, 1, 1, 0. So again, arrows. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. And then, oh shoot, I need a boo-boo. I accidentally looked here, and I've done that a lot, and I'm sure you have too. This is again why we should probably not use a pen when we graph. Okay, but it's all okay. If I had a pen, I would have erased it. So 2, 1, 2, 3, and then 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So be very careful. So sometimes I knew I should have done that. Just cross that out. Okay. So now let's go and look at how to convert parametric equations into parametric. rectangular. Ooh, I'm having trouble. Okay, so number 3. X equals 2t plus 3 and y equals 6t minus 1. I can't write that small. Oops. Okay, so here we go. Remember, this is where I want all my equations to be y equals. So I'm going to leave this guy alone and convert this one. So I'm going to subtract 3 over. So we get x minus 3 equals 2t. Divide by 2. And we're going to leave this as one big old fraction. Okay, so now we're going to plug this into t. So y equals 6 times x minus 3 over 2 minus 1. Okay, so we get y equals 6x minus 18 over 2 minus 1. And something cool just happened here. And this will help with some of the other mistakes I've been seeing. When you have multiple things on the top and one thing at the bottom, you can rewrite this. But that denominator has to go with each term. And notice how lovely this is going to be. 3x minus 9 minus 1. So we get y equals 3x minus 10. Okay, that turned out to be very, very lovely. 4x equals 8 minus 5t, and y equals 3t plus 4. So subtract 8 over. So x minus 8 equals negative 5t, and then divide by negative 5. Now, I honestly don't like negatives at the bottom, so we can do one thing to fix this and get that negative at the bottom. We're going to go and change everybody's sign. That becomes legal. Now we're going to come over here and be 3 times negative x plus 8 over 5 plus 4. Okay, so let's get rid of the fraction first. So we're going to distribute this 3. And what I meant is the multiplication, the parentheses. So we get negative 3x plus 24 over 5 plus 4. We get a different color. And now we want to get rid of that fraction. So we're going to multiply everything here by 5. And by doing this, let's get rid of our fractions. So we get 5y. This and this cancel, so we're left with negative 3x plus 24 plus 20. So we get 5y equals negative 3x plus 44. Now get rid of this. And so y equals, and I'm just going to leave it like this, 44 over 5. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's not coming. Okay. Number 5. X equals 4t plus 7. And y equals 5 minus 3t. Again, so I'm going to bring the 7 over by subtraction. Okay. And then divide by 4. So we get x minus 7 over 4 equals t. So come over here. So 5 minus 3 times x minus 7 over 4. Now this is where you want to be careful. This negative we want to distribute. So that would be minus 3x plus 21 over 4. And then just like before, multiply everything by 4. So we get 4y equals 20. And then these cancel out. So minus 3x plus 21. So 4y equals 41 minus 3x. Divide by 4. And you're done. Okay. And last but not least for this page, x equals 2t plus 9, and y equals 5t minus 1. So we're going to subtract that 9 over and divide by 2. So x minus 9 over t equals 2. So 5, we're going to bring this here, x minus 9 over 2 minus 1. Distribute, so we get y equals 5x minus 45 all over 2 minus 1. Multiply by 2, and we get 2y equals, and then this and this cancel out, so we get 5x minus 45 minus 2. So we get 2y equals 5x minus 47, and then divide by 2. So y equals 5x minus 47 over 2. Oh, I am so sorry. There you go. I hope this helps. I'll see you in the next video.